Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Karrat token. It is spelled Karrat, that is the name of the token, and that is also the ticker symbol. And this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 18th, which is today, at 7 p.m. UTC time, so that's probably already passed. I'm in Eastern time zone, but I assume that's already passed, so it will be available on this exchange when I upload the video. And we're going to go over the Karrat token, the info on it, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is Karratcoin.com. You can find their document section over there as well, and that is at docs.karratcoin.com. It was just announced that this token will be listed today, April 18th at 7 p.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Karrat, and then simply just buy the token. So it'll be available by the time I upload this video. Now, if Gate is not available in your area, this is a ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. So I assume very soon also this token will be going over to Uniswap, and you'll be able to get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with ETH, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for the Karrat coin using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Karratcoin.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if they have taxes. On their webpage, you can also find their Twitter account is on there as well. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there. And that is at Karratcoin. Real easy to find that. And yeah, so it's an ERC20 token. Max supply is 1 billion tokens. How the token is split up is we got 12.3% to early contributors, number one. 7.7% of the tokens go to early contributors, number two. 15% of the tokens to team and advisors. 15% to development. 6% to airdrop and claims. 14% foundation treasury, and 30% to the DAO treasury. So in the gaming and entertainment market, those markets are at the forefront of technological revolution that is transforming the way we experience the digital world, with increasing adoption of technologies including AR, VR, AI, and deep learning. Games and digital products are more immersive and engaging. Welcome to the future of gaming and entertainment. So the Karrat protocol is a decentralized gaming infrastructure layer supported by the Karrat coin and empowered by a truly decentralized community with a shared vision embracing gaming, entertainment, and AI products catering to the new era. The Karrat protocol is positioned to support the gaming and entertainment industries and transformative AI innovations in these industries, gaming, real-time animation content for the streaming industry, and emerging products for retail, telecom, education, and wherever imagination takes the community in the future. The Karratcoin will animate this ecosystem of games and products, and the protocol will make the tools available to support these industries and adoption of the Karrat protocol. The community will determine how these are integrated and progressed. We want to onboard more users to blockchain technology and make it easy and fun to use. Ever wanted to engage with games as more than just a user? Do you feel a drive to co-create or co-own the games that you love? In most cases, you cannot and are not empowered to. This is where decentralized governance can help. So governance is simply the way that decisions get made in most organizations. Simple if you have a voice and you get heard, but not so simple in the traditional Web 2 industries where decision making isn't always visible and transparent. This has long been an issue in the gaming and entertainment industries that often operate in silos, and communities do not have a say until it is too late. The Karrat protocol fixes these problems and introduces community decisions making with a cutting-edge on-chain governance design. This is important because it means that the Karrat community will be able to democratically make decisions that are in the best interest of the community rather than having faith in the goodwill of a small group of people. Incorporating cutting-edge and decentralized governance into the gaming and entertainment industries is essential for promoting inclusive communities, democratizing decision-making processes, and driving innovation by empowering the community to actively participate in game and product development, thus reshaping the traditional closed-off paradigm of game development. So the Karrat community has the potential to catalyze a paradigm shift, transforming an industry characterized by isolation and exclusivity into one that is transparent, inclusive, and collaborative. By embracing decentralized communities, gaming and entertainment companies, you can unlock the full creative potential of their communities, driving innovation and creating products that resonate with customers on a deeper level. So we have the Karrat token. It's an ERC20 utility and governance token designed to empower the gaming and entertainment ecosystems. So there's three pillars of the governance: govern, incentivize, and utilize. So they have vesting and lockup details, airdrop claim eligibility. They have a whole section about the decentralized governance, the Karrat Foundation, the Karrat Protocol, all on their document section. Also, a quick summary, frequently asked questions, constitution of the Karrat Co., case study, disclaimers, etc. You can check it all out at docs.karratcoin.com. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on Gate. And I assume it's going to get more listings as well on central exchanges and dexes like Uniswap. So you can stay tuned for that as well. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.